Hey, this will be a video chart on GTGP. I've got a couple questions on this one, but I want to do it more so because it really makes a pretty good real life example in terms of a chart pattern that has broken out. But on top of that, it also shows that chart patterns can take place over various amounts of time, whether it be a 5-minute chart or in this case a multiple month chart. There's all sorts of patterns all over the place, and depending on your strategy, they can take shape in all different ways. So that's where I want to start off with the video. Is what we had in the longer term here was a good old-fashioned symmetrical triangle. So let me get this so you can see it a little bit more. But this portion of the pattern was the resistance portion. Down here we had, and I know these trend lines aren't exact, but I'm trying to just point out the flow of the price. So we had our support portion of the pattern, our resistance portion of the pattern, and here's our big symmetrical triangle. And it'd probably be a bit of a stretch, but I could see somebody maybe calling this the flagpole right here, and then we'd have a bull pennant. But at the end of the day, the key thing that we're trying to get across is over this long period of time, and looking down here, multiple months, the price kind of became like a coil. It came down, went up, didn't go up as high, came down, didn't go down as low, up, and you get the point. But it became this tight little coil, and then this past week, you can see here, the price finally broke out, and when it did, let's zoom in a little closer, you can see the big volume bar. So this was some nice confirmation of a breakout, and now things have started to take place and unfold. So want to keep it kind of shrunk up like this because that's how we're going to identify our future resistances and so forth. So obviously we had the breakout here, a couple of days of consolidation, and then today, what a great way to end the week. Exploded again to break out through the previous resistance here of, what was that, 17 cents, where it knocked down the price for 2 days and closed right up here at the high of the day. So first, let's start off with where are the support levels. Short-term support right here at 17 cents, like I just mentioned. This level was, just a minute, that needs to go to green for support. This level was resistance. You can see here, 2 days in a row, knocked down the price, and now it exploded up through. And another level of support is going to be right here around the 14-cent mark. So keep that in mind. Now switching over to the resistance levels, we have to go all the way back here to this previous high. And this level is at a high from way back here in late July with a high of 21.5 cents. So this is an area of resistance, and then the big Mac Daddy of them all resistance level stems from all the way back here in mid-June, which is up here, and I'll just leave that for blue. So we have this level, which is at 24.5 cents, and then after that, as far as I'm concerned, the chart is basically in blue sky breakout territory. So keep your eye on these two levels of support. But I should say the overall support is really going to be these two moving averages down here, this purple line and orange line. Purple at the 50-day, orange on the 200-day. So as long as the price stays above those, that's the key. But resistance-wise, definitely this 22, or what did I say? That was 21.5 cents, and then up here at 24.5 cents are going to be the key levels of resistance. So nice looking chart here. Got a couple of days of consolidation. Great way to close the week, so it'll be interesting to see how this chart continues on next week. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with the newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money together on our alerts. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was GTGP. Thanks for listening, and enjoy your weekends.